Good morning, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Oka. We shall be talking about algebraic expression. The performance objective is what we are expected to know at the end of the topic. There are two of them. One is to solve problems involving quadratic equations by algebraic method. Secondly, solve problems involving two simultaneous equations where one is linear and the other quadratic by algebraic method. Now, the next thing we have is quadratic trinomial. Now, what is a quadratic trinomial? A quadratic trinomial is a three-termed expression with the highest power of the unknown being 2. The following are examples of quadratic trinomials. 1. 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. 2. Have 1 all over 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. 3. We have x squared minus 7x plus 1. 4. We have 5x squared minus 2x plus 1. 5. We have 1 minus 3x minus 9x squared. That is, if you consider the 5 examples that I have listed here, you discover that the highest power is 2. And this is also called quadratic expressions. Since there are no equality signs, the expressions, they are called quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. Now, general form of a quadratic trinomial trinomials is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constant such that a is not equal to 0. That is, a is not equal to 0. Now, if you're going back to what you have discussed, algebraic equation, that is the topic. What we are expected to know at the end of this topic: 1, to solve problems involving quadratic equations by algebraic method. That is, the method of factorization is to know how to solve a quadratic equation by method of factorization. That is, to factorize the equation and to get the values of your unknown, which is x. The second one is solve problems involving two simultaneous equations where one is linear and the other quadratic by algebraic method. Now, they will give you two equations. One of those equations will be quadratic equation, and the other will be linear equation. That is linear equation, and you will be asked to find the values of x using algebraic method to solve it. The next thing we discuss is quadratic trinomials. A quadratic trinomial is a three-termed expression with the highest power of the unknown being 2. That is, anywhere in the world you see quadratic trinomial, the highest power of the unknown must be 2. Once it's not 2, it is no longer quadratic trinomial. It is now polynomials. Polynomials and the quadratic are expression. Polynomials are expression with the highest power of the unknown being 3, 4, 5, 6. Just from 3 and above is a polynomial equation or polynomial expression and not quadratic. Any quadratic equation, the highest power of the unknown must be 2. Either quadratic equation or quadratic expression, the highest power of the unknown must be 2, not 3. For example, this is example of a polynomials. Polynomials 1, x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 1. This is an example of a polynomial, not quadratic equation. Secondly, we have 5x raised to power 5 plus 2x raised to power 4 plus 6x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 plus x plus 9. That is, the general form of a quadratic trinomial or a polynomial is x raised to power n plus x raised to power n minus 1 That is the general form of a polynomial. It takes this form. The highest power can be any number apart from 2. But any expression that the highest power is 2, then that expression is called quadratic equation or quadratic trinomial or quadratic expression. But once it's not like that, it is now called polynomials. Sorry, my name again is Oka Emmanuel. I'm going to stop here today, and tomorrow we'll continue from where we stopped today. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need a home teacher, a private teacher, you can contact me. My number is there. Call me anytime, anywhere. I will answer you. Thank you all.